It's exercise number 1 in the finger, easy finger exercises section. So you're just going to go all the way down with every note, okay, and try to be as steady in rhythm as you can. You'll see that you're going to do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up with the pick. So what you do is make sure you remember we had our good posture. We have our good posture. We reach our right hand around. We take our left hand. We come up here. We line up. We open up. We line up. And we grab and we tilt. Just move back to the first fret. Remember your right hand pinky is down, okay? And then we just go 0, 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're using each finger. The first fret, you're going to use the first finger. Second fret is going to be the second finger. Third fret is going to be the third finger. Okay, make sure you're doing that. You're not just going to go 0, 1, 2 with one finger. Okay, you're going to make sure you use the right fingers. And in this exercise, the finger numbers are just 1, 2, 3. O on the tablature means open. This is the first time we've read tablature together. So you're going to see that the low tablature on exercise 1, that low 0 on that low bottom string is that E string right there. So most of your finger exercises are going to be a lot like this with just a little variation. So let's go ahead and get our pinky down and our right hand, hold our pick right, and get good posture with our guitar, and let's do it together. Let's turn the metronome on, and we'll start this. Metronome will be clicking at a certain, probably going to start this pretty slow. If you have a metronome, you'll be starting this right around, let's see here. We'll start the metronome right around 90, maybe let's drop it down to about 80. Okay, if you want to go a little bit slower, you can go a little bit slower, but you hear 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Now, if that's too hard for you, if it's a little fast, we're going to do another pass. We'll slow it down to 60. And also want to make sure that when you're pushing down on each string that you use the fingertip, just the tip of your finger, just the little tip of your finger. Fingertip will be pushing down. Okay, and you're going to push really close to the fret. So when you go to the first fret, you push as close to the front of the fret as you can. Get right up to that first metal fret, okay? And on the 2, you do the same thing, right up to the front of the fret. If you push on the front of the fret, it'll be a lot easier to push down. The further back in the fret, if you get it farther away, in the 3rd fret here, if you can see the 3rd fret, if I get back too far, you can get muted strings. So you want to be right up to the close to the front, and we'll do it at this tempo. 3, go. 1, 2, 3, right up to the front of the fret. Make sure your pinky's down. Good. Just keep it steady. Okay, good. That's perfect. Now, when you get to the top of that, you'll go backwards too. You'll take your metronome and you'll go bum. You'll go back. Now, the idea of doing all these finger exercises is to teach your right hand, your left hand, and to get your strength in your fingers. You're pushing down on your fingertips. You're going to do all the things that you should do as a guitar player to make the best sound on your instrument. So that's exercise 1. In this week, while you're practicing, you want to do exercise 1 every day. Every time you practice, do it for 10 minutes. Just get your fingers stretched out. If you're having a problem reaching up to the 3rd fret at all, just take your right hand and just reach over there and stretch that finger out. You can stretch your finger out really easily just by reaching right up there and just move it around. So remember, just do good posture, open up, line up, grab and tilt, and you'll be fine.